Alright, simple skills. Make a tool, need a tool, all that stuff. That castellated lock nut. There's one of them on just about every single sports bike, certainly many other bikes as well, ever. They hold the swing arm axle still in the frame so it doesn't rotate, and they need to be removed when you're taking the shaft out so you can replace the bearings. So in order to get that off, without butchering it and beating it with chisels, which I've seen so many of these have been done, while that's still a nice clean one, I'm going to make a little tool just to get that out and put it back in again. You can buy dedicated tools for that, but they're really, really expensive. You can butcher a socket, but then why waste the socket? Because that would be something like a 46mm socket. That's going to cost you maybe £8 to £10, very cheap one, maybe more if you do it to an expensive one, so don't waste that sort of stuff. All you need is a bit of tubing, so I'm going to rummage around in the scrap bin, see what I can find. Let's make a tool to get that little lock ring off. Shouldn't be hard, let's see what we can do. There we go, ain't hard, is it? That's an old piece of the inlet pipe from the turbo. It had a double collar welded to the end, which made it double thickness, that thickness. And that was perfect, that's all I needed. A little bit of scrap tubing out the scrap bin. 10 minutes with the grinder, file, make a nice job of it. The only thing that's reasonably critical is getting them in a perfect cross so they all fit in the slots. And there we are, that goes straight in there now. Undoes the lock ring. There we go, every time. And that cost me precisely nothing. Need a tool, make a tool. Ain't hard, is it? See you next time.